Welcome to our lovely room here in Fiji. This lovely hospitality, and they actually upgraded our room for us as well. So we've now got a sea view. It's just got a bit windy out there right now. We've got a huge bed, little chairs and things, lots of storage, and a great display here with a lovely big shower and a big mirror, so perfect. So it's our first full day in Fiji and the weather isn't great, but Lou wants to make the most of the holiday. So here he is, swimming in the pool, in the rain and the wind with his goggles on. So I'm just sat here on the balcony, reading my book, having a cup of tea, drinking my water. I think I'm the one that's living the dream, honestly. He's just doing his little laps up and down. Because the weather's still a bit iffy, we've come up with a new idea for an activity. Louie's hoping to play some golf while we're here. So we're gonna decorate the golf balls. Got some Sharpie pens here.
We've ventured out of the room to try an activity. He's going to take it away. We're going to play a few games of pool. Game one goes to Louis. Time for another one. The winning shot. We've just had a little dip in the pool.
Now we're going to tuck into a little treat on the balcony. A magnum.
Proper magnums.
Tasty.
Our room's right in the middle of that, which is like an event space. There's another event space, then one of the restaurants running in out of the bottom there. Then you've got some bars by some of the pools, and the main part of the hotel is the other side where the river and the marina are. The hotel also offers some really cool excursions which you can do for an extra fee.
We checked out the island trip, the snorkeling trip and the waterfall trip, and we made separate videos about those and we've linked them.
We enjoyed every single one of them and think you should check them out as well.
Hi guys! We're in Fiji and we're staying at the Pearl Resort in Pacific Harbour.
Today we're going to spend the day around the resort and maybe head to the local village, so we'll show you some of the cool things.
It's got a spa, a golf course, lots of swimming pools, loads of restaurants and more, so we'll show you around.
Behind us, we're just leaving where we're staying, which is the seaside part of the resort.
And then this side is the garden view, and then behind it is the marina. And then over there is the main reception.
And then over to the right is where the spa and gym is, and there's a big lake that you can walk around, which we'll have a walk around now.
Yeah, it's a huge resort and we're excited to explore.
Behind me is the marina where you can do all your boat trips from, and they also run scuba diving tours from here and the island tours.
And then over here is where you have your breakfast and sometimes the buffet dinner too. It's a Riviera restaurant. And then in there is the lobby.
As you come out of the lobby to the garden side, there's a nice big lake which we had to walk down whilst it was dark one night and it was full of frogs.
Yeah, gross. And there's also a gym overlooking this lake.
So that's the gym on the far side and this is the spa on this side, both overlooking the lake, which is really nice. And then outside the front of the lobby is a bird holding a huge pearl. Yeah, go on, you go past him.
Oh, that's so scary. Here we've got a map of the island, and as you can see, Pacific Harbour's in between Suva and Nadi, which are the two big towns, the two big airports. There's loads of cool fish in the lake too, so you have to keep your eyes peeled. Having a little walk out the hotel now, down the road towards the art centre, which is where you get all your little trinkets from, like your postcards and your magnets. So we're going to have a look, see what we can find.
I'm loving the coconuts on the floor and the palm trees and the jungle feel. It's all very, very lovely. Oh, there's one of me and Borneo doing that. That's the golf course down there. It's also part of our hotel, so you get free transfers. We went and checked it out and played it in another one of our videos. Ready?
Yep. Oh, is that a horse I can hear? We're here at the Arts and Cultural Centre now, so we're going to go and explore the shops. Just seen one of the workers carving in these illustrations into the wooden beams here, and it is all freehand. This one's a fish.
We've just got some juices from this little hut behind us.
They grow their fruits on the farms just near here.
Literally 10 minutes away, all this fruit's grown.
And you've never tasted pineapple juice like this. Wow.
It's like
So
tropical juice, pineapple juice, like
You see it's got a bit of everything in.
of
Pineapples, papaya, watermelons, all
ginger.
fresh.
It's so lovely, and there's not many bits in it either, so it's
Yeah.
very fresh juice.
So tasty.
And we've just had they're only $3 each,
Yeah. Which you'd never
Fijian
get that
dollars,
back home.
which is probably about £1 English. And then the man was talking to us about all the resorts nearby and the farms and a bit about Fiji, so really, really lovely people as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Cheers.
lovely security man lifts the barrier behind you every time you come in and out.
They have lots of gym facilities. They're really lovely with a great view. These are state-of-the-art facilities, perfect for keeping that beach body. They're free to use for all the guests, so make sure you check them out before you take those bikini photos. There's free kayaking and water sports.
There's a lovely little event space building with a bar, with the main hotel over there, and a lovely beach.
It's even got its own private beach right at the front of the hotel. What more could you want?
They have some nice activities that you can do free of charge around the hotel, which is updated daily.
And they also do evening entertainments like Fijian Dancing and firewalking, which we're about to go and see.
couldn't come all the way to Fiji without trying Fiji water.
Ready? First taste test. It's actually so nice.
Nine out of 10 water.
I'd say 10 out of 10. Best water ever.
There you go. Some good water.
We've left Fiji now, unfortunately.
But we had a really nice time at the Pearl Resort. It was a really nice hotel. There were some really cool spots to go and sit around the hotel. Had all the features you needed. Had a nice spa. Had a nice gym. Had some really nice swimming pools, didn't it? A nice room.
Yeah, I enjoyed the fact that they had like a kids pool and an adult only pool. And then, so it's two different pools you could sit around, and then enjoyed the fact that they had all little private areas in the shade and out of the shade just to go and sit, so you weren't just sitting on a sun lounger.
And then the restaurants had good menus as well. We never really struggled with what we were eating, did we?
No, there were good variety. I mean, it's the same for lunch and dinner, but we made do with it and it was really good. Yeah. Enjoyed that you could walk into the village as well from where we were, so we went around the arts village. That was nice little thing to get out.
What were your top 3 things we did?
Definitely Unuka Island was my number one thing. I enjoyed the waterfall tour, but I didn't like the sliminess of all the rocks. And then I'd say probably the arts village as well. That was really nice to go and walk around.
Yeah, I'd say number 1 the island, number 2 probably the waterfalls, and number 3 just chilling around the hotel.
Yeah.
To be honest, but yeah, we'll see you next time.
Catch you in the next vlog.